Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that in parenting series I always try to discuss different issues, different aspects related with parenting, and I always try to link the life related issues, especially for this modern time, and I have segregated my parenting series on different parts. You know that different parts I am discussing about different stages of life, and today I will discuss another episode of the graduation level, because I am now on part 6. It is about the graduation level of the child. So today my discussion topic is about the building mental strength and increasing mental strength of your child who is now on graduation level. I have discussed about mental strength, personality, leadership and many other virtues on my previous many episodes, especially on the personality building part. But today I am discussing this issue especially because on that time when they are on graduation level, on that time it is very important to increase mental strength, because for their future aspect, because you know that after graduation level they have to take responsibility that I have discussed on my previous episodes. So he need a lot of mental strength and mental stability to face and solve different types of problems, and if he have not enough mental strength, he will not be able to conduct different issues successfully. So it is very important to improve mental strength, but how they will improve their mental strength, and as a guardian what can we do? That is to our today's topics discussion. At first you have to motivate them always, never underestimate them. If any guardian always try to underestimate his boys, his girls, then they lose their confidence, and confidence is related with mental strength, because the guardians who dismotivate their child and they become frustrated or they think that they have not ability, then they will not be able to do anything, because it is a mindset. Their mindset will be such that we can't do anything, and it will lower their energy, lower their mental stability. So at first you have to motivate all time, and you have to depend a little extent to them in some cases, like you give some authority, give some responsibility to them, and you have to depend on them. When you will be dependent for any certain activities on them, then they will feel a little bit confident that my guardian is now depending on me, so I can do something. And another activities you can do, that you may diversify his life, because most of the guardians always in our country don't motivate the child to do diversified work. They think that if they do diversified works it will hamper their education, but it is not actually true. We find from different experience that the boys who are in diversified activities, like doing many things at a time, they are more capable to handle any situation than the others. So it is another important issue. And when they face any problem, you may guide them, instruct them and give them better suggestion, but you don't go ahead rather than giving them forward, because when they will face their problem, on that time they will be able to handle it. You will support him from the backside, but you will give them access to problem solve, and when they will solve their own problem, it will be better for them in future to solve more problems. And finally I will suggest you, you must love your child, your boys and girls, but don't show it desperately. If guardians shows their affection desperately, that I love you much, then the boy become a little bit relaxed, and this relaxation lower their capability. So you will love them, you will care them, but never show it. You have to hide your emotion and be practical. When you will be practical, your child will be also practical and pragmatic. So that's why they will be able to do many things. So this is my today's discussion. I think if you get any better suggestion from my video, please subscribe my channel and watch my other videos related with parenting series. So thank you very much.